It was cold in Alberta. Real cold. But Miami loomed on the horizon. Do I have what it takes? I gotta wonder. Soon I'll be joining the HVAC elite for a competition that could make or break even the most road-tested technicians. And yeah, I'm road-tested myself, I ain't no greenhorn. But Miami's a long way from home. And home's comfortable. Home, I know. I've fixed clogs and put boilers in the tightest spaces. Hydronics, radiant heat, plumbing. I could write a book. I should be able to stand shoulder to shoulder with the best of them. These legends, my own heroes. My competition. I guess we'll see. We'll all see.